In the 187th District Court, what was supposed to be a routine hearing turned into one of the most chaotic and intense courtroom moments of the year. A judge, a frustrated defense team, a murder case waiting for trial, and families on both sides completely losing control. What happened inside that courtroom forced the judge to shut the doors, ban family members, and lay down one of the strictest rulings the court had seen. This is the story of what really happened. The hearing begins calmly, until a woman sitting in the gallery suddenly snaps. Raised voices, emotions boiling, and before anyone can understand what's happening, the judge slams down control. Judge firm. People from either side are not allowed back in the courtroom. We are not having a brawl in the 187th District Court. The tension spikes instantly. A woman tries speaking again. The judge shuts it down. Judge, stand up. Go over there. No, not there. You're excused from this courtroom unless you're on the docket. And if you are on the docket, you're going into custody. The room freezes. Even the attorneys take a step back. The judge tries one more time to calm things down. Judge, listen, I understand emotions are high, but when that starts in court, everyone gets angry. And then the next thing you know, they're fighting. She gives the woman one final chance. Judge, can you stay calm and composed? The woman nods. Good. Sit on the back row, quietly. The judge sighs. The room breathes again. The attorneys finally continue. The defense explains that the last time they were here, they made a counteroffer. But communication with the DA's office has been messy at best. Offers sent, responses unclear, everyone confused. The defense attorney tries to explain, but the judge cuts him off immediately. Judge, no. We're not doing this back and forth mess anymore. The defense attorney changes his approach. They ask for more time, a week or two, so the DA and defense can finally lock in a real plea discussion. He reminds the judge, this is a capital case. There is a murder attached to it. The judge listens, then lays out a final deadline. Judge, the last day for a plea agreement is January 23rd. After that, this case goes to trial. The court will not accept any plea bargain after that date, without good cause. No more extensions. No more excuses. No more miscommunication. The attorneys agree. But then a new problem appears. The judge suddenly turns to the courtroom. Judge, are they related to this case? Someone answers yes. The judge doesn't hesitate for even 1 second. Judge, then listen carefully. People from either side are not allowed back in this courtroom. The room goes silent. She explains why. Because we are not having a brawl. If there is a victim impact statement, they can do it on Zoom. If the defendant's family wants to talk, Zoom. Nobody's coming back inside this courtroom, unless they are testifying in a jury trial. For the first time that day, everyone truly understands how serious this case is. The court clerk steps forward. The judge sets the official trial date, January 20th, 2026. It is the earliest available opening for a capital murder jury trial. The judge stares directly at the defendant. Judge, your plea deadline has expired. This will be a jury trial unless you open plea to the court. Do you understand? The defendant quietly responds, Yes, ma'am. There is no turning back now. The previous case ends. But the courtroom doesn't get a break. The next defendant walks in, Ethan Anthony Rosales. He is charged with deadly conduct, discharging a firearm at individuals, a third-degree felony. The judge begins her rapid-fire questioning. Did you read and sign your admonishments? Yes, ma'am. Do you understand the charge? Yes, ma'am. Do you understand the punishment range? Yes, ma'am. Has anyone threatened you? No, ma'am. Are you satisfied with your attorney? Yes, ma'am. Rosales enters a guilty plea. The judge reviews the evidence and places him on deferred adjudication, with the possibility of up to 10 years in prison if revoked. The defense requests a PSI, a pre-sentence investigation. But there's a problem. The The defendant's father works in the oil fields. He can't appear during the week. He can't Zoom from the field. The judge tries to offer a solution. Judge, he can try Zoom. If it doesn't work, we'll figure something else out. Finally, the judge sets the case for July 14th. Another case resolved. Another defendant is escorted out. Just when the courtroom day seems finished, a breaking update arrives from reporters outside. Nathan Martinez, a man seen earlier being escorted in handcuffs, is now officially linked to multiple murders, gang shootouts, automatic weapon possession, drive-by shootings caught on video. Social media posts bragging about attacks. Police say he sprayed a crowd on Father's Day, killing 2 people and injuring 5 more, and minutes later shot up a convenience store. His bond, $1.4 million, with 2 cases no bond allowed. He will remain behind bars, and his trial is still ahead. This courtroom session started with tension, escalated into chaos, and ended with some of the most serious criminal charges imaginable, from family outbursts to banned spectators to capital murder trial dates. This was a day the 187th District Court will never forget. If you want more real courtroom breakdowns, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.